John, we're recording.
Okay. So we go in.
I'm gonna break my neck.
2. Did you see that? For the intro, we rolled on poo.
We did? Yeah.
Go.
Go. And Mother Nature, you don't want to waste your precious time looking for setting up camp.
Failed. We'll get them next time.
One of my fellow.
Oh shit, that's
That was actually real pain.
No, this is. While my fellow survivors are obtaining resources, I'll need to create a fire for when the food arrives. Contrary to other survivor shows, don't use a stick and wood. Take out your lighter.
Alright, we have to redo that. Looks like I found the trap. With one catch. I am its bait. Unlike what experts say, you do not want to take a rock and lodge into the trap while you get your foot out, because rocks have feelings. Instead, you want to look for a nearby wild animal and lodge it into the trap. But unfortunately for me, looks like there's a lack of wild animals here. So, when worst comes to worst...
Hydration, the very foundation of life. Most survivors use their pee to drink water. Also, drink a healthy diet of water for 7 days. Hydration, the very foundation of life. Most survivors use their pee as water. But in forests, I said in forests.
You said, but in forests. You said it twice. It's fine.
God damn it.
I'm doing something wrong.
We just arrived in the forest and it's brutal. The trees are so thick I can barely see 15 feet in front of me. But like any good
wild animals,
we need to find food and water fast. We should split up and look for as many
Public bathroom.
possible.
What up, campus? We're gonna see David drink his orange pea water.
maybe we should make that a challenge. They drink your own piss water.
Oh, jeez.
To raise money for cancer.
Tune in next time. Oh, yeah. My children.